Dear friends, let us consider one more interesting multiple choice question. The question is related to toluene, bromination of toluene. Toluene is reacted with bromine, and the question relates to electrophilic substitution reaction. SE reaction, in short, we write it as SE reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. Why it is electrophilic substitution reaction? The reason is simple. Toluene plus bromine, hydrogen atom attached to carbon. There are 5 CH bonds, 5 carbon atoms to which hydrogen atom is attached, and hydrogen is replaced by bromine. But in what way it is replaced? Toluene with bromine, the reaction takes place in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Now, this we have already considered in our earlier lectures. Still, it is so important that we can consider it again. Halogen, as we know, 3 lone pairs and 1 unpaired electron on a halogen atom. So, when a bond is formed, single covalent bond between 2 halogen atoms, Cl2, Br2, 3 lone pairs and unpaired of each, a bond pair. And AlCl3, as we know, is an example of, or AlBr3, here it is used, is an example of what we call as incomplete octet. Means the outermost shell of aluminium in AlBr3, anhydrous AlBr3, of course, anhydrous, because if it were not anhydrous, then it would mean that some moisture is present, then lone pair of electrons on oxygen, lone pair of electrons, although there are 2 lone pairs, one lone pair will form a coordinate covalent bond, and the activity of AlBr3 will come to halt, it will stop, and therefore even trace amount of moisture is not allowed, and therefore AlCl3, which we use for electrophilic substitution reaction for producing electrophile, it should be anhydrous. And how it is formed? Actually, the lone pair out of these 3, one lone pair forms a shared pair. The moment lone pair forms a shared pair, bond pair forms a lone pair. And so this is how we get Br plus this electron pair goes with bromine and this lone pair forms a bond pair. This I will write directly because this has been already covered in our previous lectures in the course 1. So, in short, let me write it. And this Br plus electrophile, this Br plus means although it is bromine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or it can be AlBr3, the attack is of bromine in the form of Br plus ion, means this is electrophile. So, this electrophile attacks and hydrogen atom goes out in the form of H plus ions. Therefore, one electrophile enters and hydrogen goes out in the form of electrophile. This is the reaction, and for the purpose of properly explaining the point, I have to rub it. Just now I have told you that bromine from this Br2 molecule, bromine in the form of Br plus is developed because of interaction between this Br2 and anhydrous AlBr3. Sometimes it can be AlCl3. And this Br plus bromonium ion, it attacks this toluene, methyl benzene. Now, toluene or methyl benzene, it is because of plus I effect of this methyl group, it is activating and ortho-para-directing. Means what? Because of plus I effect of methyl group, the electron density in the aromatic ring increases, and in the resonance point, the topic, we have seen that if electron density in the aromatic ring, if it increases, the increase is more at ortho and para, and as compared to ortho and para, the increase is less at meta. So it is ortho-para directing, and since electron density increases, the attack of electrophile requires, because it is electron deficient, it will attack electron rich site or electron rich species. So it is ortho-para directing. So that bromine in the form of Br plus, when it attacks, as we know, it is ortho-para directing. Among ortho-para, again para is major because the symmetrical distribution, very simple reason. So attack of Br plus either at ortho or at para, it is not either or, we are taking only one species on board, therefore both, but among ortho-para, para is major because it gives symmetrical distribution, final product. Now this electrophile, it will pull the pi electrons or pi electrons. Ortho-para, among the ortho-para, since para is major, I will show by using this pi electron pair, pi. So this pi and the empty orbital of Br plus, how it is developed, heterolysis, just now we have seen, and what we get is written in this fashion. It can be written in this fashion. Hydrogen atoms as they are present. The pi electrons arrow, because earlier the pi electron was between these two carbon atoms and Br plus empty orbital. So here positive charge is developed. These two pi electrons are there. So this is the intermediate. This is the intermediate. And when this pi electron gets shared here, the positive charge will come here. This again, the pi electrons, when it gets shared here, empty orbital, resonance, the positive charge will get transmitted on the carbon to which methyl group is attached. That, to show that, let me remove this, and I will write this here in this fashion. The pi electrons get transmitted here, and therefore and positive charge gets transmitted here. So among the various, now again this pi electron will get shared here, positive charge will get transmitted to this carbon, and ultimately hydrogen atom goes out in the form of H plus ions, and again the aromatic ring is again obtained. That I need not show. The answer or whatever is asked and whatever the options which are given, if we restrict ourselves in that limit, then this becomes the answer. Because positive charge producing here, the possibility is just not possible. Because of the positive inductive effect of methyl group, it is orthopara directing. This would mean that bromine substitution, this is possible only when substitution is possible at, or it takes place at meta position. It is not meta directing. So this possibility is not there. Even the valency of carbon, if you consider that point of view, this possibility is not there. And this possibility, if you consider ortho, but among the ortho and para is major. So if you consider all those things, eliminate two options, and among the two options para is major, if this very simple thing which we have covered earlier, if it is known to us, then this leads to this option, and because of resonance, it immediately gets converted into this, and therefore our answer is B for this question.